Good morning. Just walked up through the fields to check the state of the road. So as you can see, this is the road there. So normally we would come up that road or come down that road. And this is our first Kasahoya sign, which is where the bend is. So this is now not possible to pass. Come on, this way. We can pass here. So as you can see, that's our neighbor there. He parked his car at the top there. He came to see whether we were okay, and if we need anything, you bring, and then we can meet here. That is so nice, so nice. So this is the middle of the road. Good girl, Lily. You're clever, aren't you? This way, Lily. Lily, this way. Why are you going in the water? Come on, let's go this way. Through there. We can't go through there because you'll be washed away. Let's go through here. Come on, you're enjoying playing in the in the mud, aren't you? It's gonna be a shower today. So we're avoiding the road there. We just have to walk through the fields. That is the road. There we are. We meet the road again. Lady thinks it's fun to just jump into the water. This is the road there. So we would have come from there. Stop it! Don't push me into the water. So, this is the road. This is the road. And then we would have turned left here. Lily, come back here! Jesus Christ! Are you a water dog? Lola is smarter than that. So this is the road again. Which way are we going, girls? I think Lily's a water dog. Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. Like I said, you don't want an ambulance today. Today is not the day for an ambulance. Or this weekend. Or possibly even next week.